Hi, I am Gianna Rossetti, the pet engineer. Today we're going to be doing a product review on Mr Chewy online store. And I will be the judge this time. Here we go, Mr Chewy website. Let me get some cat food here for my cats. Let's see. Okay, got it. Let me order one. Okay. Oh, while I'm here, let me get some treats. My cats love treats. Ordered. And let me see some more here. More cat treats. Okay. Just one unit. I think it's going to be enough. I don't want my cats to get fat. And proceed to check out. Mr Chewy online store gets 5 paws. On navigation, look, it's very easy to shop and easy to check out, and they carry more than 70 brands. So it's huge and very good names that I could see.